And things are starting to get a little dicey in St. Tammany Parish. Hospitals on the North Shore are almost at capacity as the Omicron surge climbs. The St. Tammany Parish coroner said patient loads and requests for testing are putting a strain on healthcare workers. As Erica Ferrando reports, the demand for testing isn't slowing down.
In this long line of cars with people waiting to get tested for COVID-19, just imagine every third one tests positive. That's the current reality, as 31% of people tested positive at the Shrine on Airline mass testing site Wednesday. That's out of 1,500 people.
All is a reflection of a very, very contagious variant.
Dr. Fred Lopez, an infectious disease expert with LSU Health, says these high percent positivity rates show us how transmissible Omicron is.
We know the Omicron variant is very contagious. Some compare it to the measles and chickenpox.
Take a look at this graph from LDH. Statewide, the percent positivity rate is the highest it's been since March 2020 at the start of the pandemic. During the last week of December, Louisiana reported a 27% positivity rate, and it's currently over 31% in New Orleans.
Ideally, we'd like it to be less than 3%.
LDH reported more than 14,000 new cases of COVID Thursday, breaking another single-day record for new cases since the start of the pandemic. But keep in mind, these numbers do not include at-home COVID tests.
No doubt we're underestimating the total number of cases reported because many people are subscribing to at-home testing and those test results are not reported publicly.
The demand for testing is the reason Ochsner opened this mass testing site.
Rapid tests are in more demand than they've been since the onset of COVID 2 years ago. But we also know that rapid tests are not readily available in many retail locations.
On the North Shore, hospitals in St. Tammany Parish are nearing capacity and ambulances are being diverted. Coroner Dr. Charles Preston said the Omicron variant is spreading rapidly and the healthcare system is struggling to keep up with patient loads and requests for testing. He's asking people to avoid emergency rooms unless they have a true emergency. Erica Ferrando, Eyewitness News.
And those rapid tests at the Shrine on Airline are best for those who actually have symptoms. Asymptomatic carriers may not get accurate results. It'll be open Monday through Friday, 9 till 4, until the demand decreases. And as we've mentioned, today's state case count is the highest single-day total ever. More than 14,000 new cases were added since yesterday. 12 more people died. Hospitalizations topped 1,400, and that is the highest since mid-September, and 60 people are now on ventilators. That's a dozen more than yesterday.